many people, parents or relatives bake cakes? Right? Bake cakes. Bless you. Yeah, right? And so, when they start baking the cake, they put a whole bunch of ingredients in it, right? And they put love in it. I know when I was a kid, like your age, I used to like when they used to mix it. I take the two, whisk, whatever you call it, and lick it because it's absolutely amazing. But when you think about that cake, right? Does it take 5 minutes to cook?
No, it takes like 20, 30, 45 minutes.
Yeah, it takes some time, right? It takes some time. But what happens is before you have a cake, they put all of these different ingredients in it to get this wonderful, tasting dough treat that we all, that most of us love to eat, right? So it's the same way with you. By itself is not very good, right? So one thing is not the whole making of you. It's like all of the things that you have gone through and that you're going through and that you're going to go through in the future is making this wonderful cake, which is called your life. And without all of the ingredients, it will be hard to fulfill this assignment that you say that you want this 20-year-old to say. And so you have to be willing to do and to experience all of the ingredients and understand that it takes patience. Right? You say this cake takes about 40 minutes, but actually it's longer than 40 minutes. Right? It takes, some hours to get this right, cake. It seems like it's only 40 minutes or 20 minutes, but it takes some time. And so the same way with you, it takes time for you to become
what you are.
This man that you say that you aspires to be. One that's a protector, one that begins to take responsibility, one that matures, one that's a provider, right? One that has a career, one that has a job, one that may have a business. But it's a process in becoming this person. It doesn't happen overnight. And so the beginning stages of all of this is right where you are right now. Like this is your job. Coming to school right now as this man, that you're learning responsibility. You're learning how to be dependable. This is your first job. And the question that you have to ask yourself, how well are you doing on this job?